Reviews best motorcycles with reverse gears. Piaggio MP3. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of three-wheeled scooters, specifically those that offer advanced features like reverse gear. We have a real gem to showcase, the Piaggio MP3. This revolutionary vehicle has been making waves in the motorcycle community, and we're here to break down why. Background and description. The Piaggio MP3 is a unique three-wheeled scooter that offers a blend of motorcycle performance and car-like stability. It's powered by a variety of engine options, including 300 cubic centimeters and 530 cubic centimeters engines, delivering a smooth and responsive performance, perfect for urban commuting and long-distance travel. Key features and benefits. One of the standout features of the Piaggio MP3 is its reverse gear. This innovative feature makes maneuvering the scooter in tight spaces much easier, especially when parking or reversing out of a garage. In addition to the reverse gear, the MP3 comes with a host of advanced features, including a large TFT display, traction control, and multiple riding modes. The scooter also features ample storage space under the seat and in the optional top box. Design and aesthetics. The Piaggio MP3 has a distinctive and futuristic design, with a sleek and aerodynamic shape. Its unique three-wheel configuration provides excellent stability and handling, making it a safe and enjoyable ride. Target audience and relevance. The Piaggio MP3 is ideal for riders who are looking for a versatile and practical urban vehicle. Its unique design and advanced features make it a top choice for those who want a safe and comfortable ride, especially in wet or slippery conditions. Expert reviews. The Piaggio MP3 has received positive reviews from both critics and riders. Many praise its innovative design, comfortable ride, and advanced features. One reviewer from Motorcyclist magazine said, "The Piaggio MP3 is a fantastic choice for riders who want a unique and practical urban vehicle. It's easy to ride, comfortable, and a lot of fun." Comparison to other scooters. When compared to traditional two-wheeled scooters, the Piaggio MP3 offers a number of advantages, including increased stability, better handling, and improved safety. Its unique design and advanced features set it apart from the competition. Conclusion. The Piaggio MP3 is a revolutionary scooter that offers a unique blend of style, performance, and safety. Its advanced features, including the reverse gear, make it a practical and convenient choice for urban commuting and long-distance travel. So, if you're looking for a unique and stylish scooter, the Piaggio MP3 is definitely worth considering.